Hey, hi everyone. My name is Ravindra and I am a solution architect. I welcome you to my YouTube channel.
Hi everyone, today we see different approaches to create Canvas app in the Power Platform. So this is you should know, okay, as a Power App developer, okay, different ways to create a Canvas application. Okay. So let's go to the make.power apps. Okay. So in the make.power apps, okay, when you go to the create option, here you have the multiple options. Okay, one is blank, okay, one is from Dataverse, SharePoint, Excel, SQL, image, and then Figma. Okay, so by using these seven approaches, we can create the power apps. Okay, if you use the blank one, okay, so in that case, your blank application will create. Okay, so let's I showcase you and just click on the create blank. Let's we give the name to this blank. Okay, let's I create one more tab here. Okay, and give the name. Open the make.power app. So this is our blank one. Okay, so let's we go to the second option. Okay, so let's I duplicate the screen two three times. Okay, duplicated, duplicate, duplicate, sufficient. Okay, so this is our blank one. Okay, so let's we go to the create option one more time. Let's we select from Dataverse. Okay, then let's we go to SharePoint. Okay, let's we select the SharePoint. Why I'm showcasing this? Okay, these are the different approaches. Okay, your app at the end is creating different. Okay, if you select the Dataverse, so in that case your app is creating three screen app. Okay, in the mobile layout. Okay, if you create by using four step, in that case it is different. Okay, so let's we select here Dataverse. Okay, account and connect. So similar process you have to follow, okay, for your SharePoint, OneDrive, Excel, and SQL table. Okay, so this is one of the approach. Okay, so we done one here. Okay, so let's we go for the third one. Okay, let's I go one step back. Okay, from this approach, it will create same one. Okay, from image also, what you have to do, you have to upload an image. Okay, so next, let's I go with sample image. Okay, this one, because for now I not have the image associated with me image, and just click on the next. So this is the image. Okay, this is the registration form. Okay, let's click on the next. Connect to Dataverse table. Okay, if you want to connect to Dataverse table, in that case, for now we let's keep this. Okay, and just creating your app. Okay. Let's we go to the create tab. Okay, for Figma also same. Okay, you need the Figma design. Okay, so for Figma design, let's we go to the Figma. And here you need to put the Figma page link. Okay, and the Figma personal access token. Okay, so it will still it is in preview. Okay, your app will came with images. Okay, so it is not recommended one also for now. Then we have the template one. Okay, from the template you can select the any template. Okay, just click on that, your app will create. Okay, then we have, if you go to the home page. Okay, so here it is present one more option. Okay, from the description we can build. Okay, so let's I give here in list inventory. Got it. Okay, so it is, you can be see our database relationship model is created. Items list. Okay, and then we can Click here, save and open an app. Okay, so your app will open. Okay, so we are creating app here. Okay, so it is in working. So in this feature, Copilot access also you will get here. Edit and do the changes in the canvas app. Okay, so let's I go one step back. Okay, at the end I showcasing all the forms with you. Okay, then we have the solution one. Okay, if you go to the solution, to the any solution, okay, you can go to existing or the you can create the new solution app. Okay, and from here you can create an app. Okay, canvas app. Okay, so this is the most okay recommended way to create an canvas app. Okay, if you create from any other sources also you can add that into a solution. Okay, and one more we have. Okay, that lots of developer not known. Okay, if you go to your SharePoint, okay, to any list, okay, like modif I go on to this list. Okay, from here also we have the two options. Okay, from if you click on the integrate, okay, and just click on the create app. Okay, so here also your power apps application will create from SharePoint. Okay, SharePoint as a data source. Okay, then we have the teams as well. Okay, from the Microsoft Teams. Okay, you can create the power apps. It is still loading, so let's close this window. So this is our blank canvas application. Okay, this is our Dataverse. From data source we have created app. Okay, it is similar for SQL, Dataverse, SharePoint. Okay, then we have from the image we created this app. Okay, you can be see from the image it takes input. Okay, and then we have this is the solution. Okay, from here we can add the app. Okay, and this is one loading. This is my favorite one. Okay, Copilot one. Okay, if you see the list, okay, here it is very tablet format. Okay, your app will create here. Okay, yeah, so those are the all the different approaches to create the power apps. You can see here. Okay, from the Microsoft Teams also we can create an power apps application. So if you click on the get started, okay, from here you can create or you can also select the any template to start with. Thank you friends, have a nice day to you.
Creating content required lots of efforts like researching on that topic, scripting, then editing, and then publishing, sharing with others. Your each comment, your like, your valuable feedback, you liking this video or not, what improvement I have to do, that all means a lot to me. So please do subscribe to channel and please provide your feedback.